Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Lemon TV L2 GTV version. The appearance is the same as the original L2, but the Android version and operating system have changed, from Android 12 to Android 14. Let's explore the other features together. First, after connecting via Bluetooth, you need to connect to the internet and log into your Google account to access the interface. This operating system is much richer than the previous one. Then, let's look at the settings, where you can see the basic information of the box. Next are the testing tools. ADA 64, which provides more detailed information about the box's parameters. Finally, root check, which shows the box's root access status.